Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do some art for you guys today. Yay! You guys have been asking for this for a while, and it's just really difficult to do it on myself and be able to show you, and to get all my filming equipment and stuff out for clients is just too time consuming. So I ordered these little display stand things here with little magnets. Love them so much. I got a 3-pack from Amazon. It was about $14. I will link it in the description box below, so you can check it out if you want to get some for yourself. But I love them and it's working out pretty good. I'm still getting used to using them, but I'll get there. So I'm gonna do some tie-dyed rainbow prettiness today, and the colors I chose to use were Baby Nest, Bahama Mama, and then Perfect Yellow, which isn't a neon, but it's still gorgeous and bright. Green highlighter. Oh, I love this color. And then the blue is Aqua Blue. This is a perfect just blue. I love it so much for neon rainbow stuff. And the purple is Hear Me Roar. So I did a set of nails on Instagram doing this technique, and everybody loved it so much. So I'm very happy to be able to film it for you guys and show you how I did it. So on the base of all the nails, I'm going to use Perfect White. I'm just going to do one coat as a background. It doesn't have to be completely opaque or perfect, but like this is a very opaque gel polish, so one coat works pretty well. And then I did use 2 coats on one of the tips because I'm going to do a hollow chrome, and you'll see that here in a bit. Looks really cool. Yeah, so like I said, I'm so excited to be able to film art for you guys now. I'm still getting used to using these tips. I think I'm going to order one of those little crystals that you can stick the tips on with the magnet piece, and I think that'll help me hold it because I was getting polish all over my fingers. And I'm going to use my Twinkle Tea 00 art brush here. I've had this thing for like 6 years. I love it so much. I need to get another one. I think they're out of stock right now though, but yeah, this is my go-to little brush for all my art. Okay, so I'm not used to working on tips this big. This is a 00 from Apres. I think it's their Coffin Medium, and it's quite a wide tip and long as well. So I'm just trying to map out where I'm going to put all the colors and how thick I want the lines to be. I just wanted one line of each color on this particular nail. So I'm just trying to figure out how thick I'm going to make them, and yeah. But they do not have to be perfect, and this is still going to turn out really good. You can do these diagonal, vertical, whatever, horizontal. Just have fun with it. I love how these turn out, and they're actually a lot easier than they look. So I'm going to put these colors on, let you watch for a minute, and I'll come back to you here in a moment. Okay, so I am just taking my brush and dragging it through all the colors, and then once I do that, I wipe it off before I go back in on the bottom again. And then I like to take it and put it kind of at an angle, so they're not going straight, they're kind of going down into a point, if that makes sense. And then I drag back through the opposite way, wiping off my brush again in between each stripe. And I'll get a little wobbly here on the side, but it still turned out pretty cool. This is so much easier than it looks, so just give it a try. I think you're really gonna love it, and any colors you want to use, I think it'll look really cool. So then once you're happy with it, pop it into the lamp and give it a cure. And I am going to do now I like to call it like a smoky tie-dye. It looks really cool. So I'm taking the base gel. You can use the blooming gel or the art gel, but the base gel works as well. Just a nice thin layer. And then pick up a bit of color on your brush and just kind of like tap it into that base gel while it's still wet, and kind of like smush the colors around together. And I'm going down the nail and kind of like the rainbow order too, and kind of just mixing them up a little bit. I think this looks so cool. This was my favorite nail that it turned out. And then once you get all your colors on there, take a little bit of that base gel and put it on your palette, and I go through like where the colors meet up and smush them around a little bit more so they blend, and then just give that a few seconds to sit so it kind of all melts together. And then when you're happy with it, put it in the light and cure it. Like I said, this is my favorite nail. I love how this one turned out. It's so cool. It would look so good with some like black stamping over it, I think, too. Okay, so this is the one where I did 2 coats of white, and I'm taking this hollow chrome. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And the no wipe top coat, and putting a layer of that on. And usually I cure my top coat for 60 seconds, but when I do the chrome, I do 30 seconds. And I make sure to put the chrome on as soon as it comes out of the light. I think it just works a little better when the nail's a little bit warm. I don't know. I think it just works better. So putting that on. Once I get it on with the little makeup brush applicator, I like to rub it in with my finger. Oh my gosh, look at the hollow. So pretty. This chrome came from Madame Glam, but they don't sell it anymore. I don't know why. And then I'm just going to top coat that, and I use a top coat dedicated for glitters, usually when I do any chromes or glitters, because it will transfer a little bit into it, and when you're trying to do just a plain cream nail, you don't want to have those little specks of glitter in there. So I have a separate top coat for regular colors and for glitters. And yeah, like I was saying, the Madame Glam website doesn't have the hollow chrome anymore. They have a unicorn chrome too that is absolutely to die for. Works so good. And they don't have that anymore on their website. They've kind of like streamlined their website a little bit, and they don't have the chameleons, the color changing gels anymore. Yeah, or any of the glitters that they used to sell. They used to sell regular nail polish as well, and they don't have that anymore. So kind of a bummer on the chromes, because the chromes are absolutely amazing, but they still have all these gorgeous gels that I love so much. So yeah, I'm just going in and doing another smoky tie-dye nail. And then I did this one a little bit different, less of the rainbow order and just kind of splotchy all around everywhere, which turned out really cool too. I love both of these. These are my favorite. Now I'm going to do another tie-dyed stripe nail, and I'm going to do this one a little bit different. Same colors, but I'm going to do the lines thinner, and then I'm going to have multiple lines of the same color. And that'll give you a little bit of a different look. I like both of them just as well. It just depends on what you want to do. Like I said, you can use any colors. You can do them horizontal, diagonal, it doesn't matter. You can take your lines and put them side to side, up and down. Just play around with it until you get a look that you really love. I've done a spiral tie-dye one, which I didn't think I could do because I was really intimidated by it. But I did practice a little bit, and it turned out really cool. So same idea, you just put the colors in a circle all over going throughout the nail. I don't know how to describe it. I'll have to do a demo for you guys, but you know, just in a circle and just pull your lines through and it looks really cool. So I'm just gonna let you watch this. I'm gonna quit rambling on and then I'll come back to you in a minute.
You say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bottom below. You tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth. Oh,
Okay guys, and same idea with this one. You're just going to pull your lines through, and I'm just touching up the sides, making sure that the color goes all the way down the sides. I got a little over, I don't know, excited with this one, and just I kind of overdid it. And my brush, it went a little crazy here. It flared out, but looking at it now, I kind of like how that looks because it gives it a little bit of a different look. And I was trying to get like the real skinny lines, but I kind of like how it flared out there. And I think it would look really cool too doing with an ombre brush. So I might try that next time too. Just take an ombre brush where it's got like all those bristles and running it through. I think that would look really cool. But that wasn't the look I was trying to do here. So again, just wiping off the brush in between each pull. And then I was like, nope, that's not enough. So I went through and did a few more lines going back and forth, just trying to alternate the direction they were going. It did turn out pretty cool in the end, and I ended up adding some glitter to it just because I thought it was a little bit messy, a little bit too many lines, but like I said, I got a little overexcited. And once you're happy, just pop it in the light and cure it. And look at this mess. So put the cap back on my brush and put it away. And now I've got some hollow flakies from Beauty Big Bang. I've had these for years. These are really pretty. And I just tap those in onto the tacky layer of that cured gel. And I just want to put a little bit on there. I don't want to cover up the design, but I just want to give it some sparkle to go with the hollow chrome nail. And I did that on 2 of them. And I was trying to decide which one of the Smoky marbly tie-dyed nails I was going to put it on because I loved them both so much. And I ended up going with this one. I think I like that one just a little less than the other one. And again, just a little bit, tapping it on here and there. Just to give it a little bit of sparkle. You can never have too much glitter. And that's pretty much it for this set, guys. So just top coating. I dropped my top coat, my glitter one, so the brush fell on the floor. So I'm using my regular brush, or my regular top coat. And I was just careful to make sure that I didn't transfer any of that glitter into the bottle. So after going over the hollow flakies, I just wiped my brush off on the paper towel. But look at how pretty these are. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to rearrange them, make them look a little bit more like they would go on a set. So put the chrome one in the middle and separate the tie-dyed ones from each other so they're not right next to each other. But I don't have many clients who would get a set this full on, awesome, crazy, colorful. I would put these on myself for sure. But yeah, I liked how they all look together. They look really cool. But let me know what you think in the comments below. And make sure you are following me on Instagram. I post all my clients' art, nails there. All of their nails get posted on Instagram. And so give me a follow. Let me know if you want to see anything in a tutorial, because I can do that now. Yay! But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was informative. And if you give this a try, tag me. Tag me on Instagram at @GingerSparks. I would love to see it. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm sorry this was such a long video. I'm going to get these figured out on how I want to do these soon. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride.